Hi, this is Created.
And I'm Made.
Today we're going to do if statements, color effects, and
Some other stuff.
yeah, on Scratch.
Yay!
So we're going to go on Scratch.mit.
.edu.
And
Trust us, this is gonna be fun. Like, really fun. Because we're making a game.
yeah, today
we're going
to make a game. So
And
we're going to log into your
Created
account.
is gonna help us learn how. Right,
Log into
Created?
your account with your username and password.
Right, Created? You're gonna help us
Yes.
make this? And I'm Made.
Okay.
Just if you forgot. Just checking.
Password. Type in your password.
Yeah, use your username and password.
Okay.
Next, stuff is gonna pop up.
So you'll see
Yay.
the familiar Scratch
Yeah.
website. Now press create.
Yeah,
Oh, that worked. Okay.
there it is.
Now we're going to delete the Scratch cat and
Delete the Scratch cat.
we're going to choose a sprite. We're
Yep.
going to choose a.
We're gonna choose ball.
Definitely. Okay. So now we have this ball and we're going to start giving it code. So one
is event.
we're going to use this new one key press block. Set it to when the space key is pressed. And when the space key is pressed, this basically means you wanted to do something when the space key is pressed. It doesn't work yet.
Okay, next is looks, which is purple.
So,
You can tell it to say stuff.
not exactly.
I think. I don't know.
So,
This is my first time on.
yeah. You're doing
By
a
the
pretty
way.
good job.
But
If you want to
Created,
learn,
you're doing great at this, Created. Like, this girl, Created, is a pro.
if this is also your first time and you want to
Learn how to do this.
and you want to learn the basics, then check out my other videos. Basics of Scratch 1 and Basics of Scratch 2.
Yep, and this is Basics of Scratch 3.
So, now we want to drag out a change color effect block.
Yeah. So,
And
it's going to be in the
It's
purple.
going to change the color. So when you press the space key, it changes its color.
No, I really like the color. Can you keep pressing? Tell you when to stop.
We're making it that.
Yellow.
We also want to make sure it goes to 0, 0 at the beginning.
Next
'cause
is
that's
the
its
blue
That's the
one.
position we want.
So,
Just going to set X, 0, 0. That's the middle.
So go to... Okay.
Okay.
So next... Now, we're going to change the color.
Now we're able to.
Change the
It will go to 0, 0, and we're able to change the color of the ball.
No, you missed
We want
it.
this to be a game. The game is that you
Wait,
want
can
to.
I change the color?
Yes.
Created. I'm switching the color.
No, it isn't switching the color.
I like the color.
Color effects are not the actual color. Color effects are just the effect. If you click stop, it changes back to the normal color.
Oh,
But that's how it works.
that's cool.
Fine. If you want to change the color, then you can change it to any of these. You go to the costumes and you want to change the color.
Let me look.
Okay. Maid is going to figure out her favorite color.
Let's see what the options are. Let's see all the colors.
Don't move it. That's not how you do it. You
How
have to
do I
click on it. Click on it. Just click on it. Here, not
I
right click.
am.
Left click. Left click on it.
Okay, can you show me all the colors? We're picking a color. I like the blue. No, it's the purple. The purple.
Okay. We'll do the
We're
purple.
doing purple. You can
Now,
do whatever
You
color.
can also see it has different color effects now.
Yeah, that's so cool. Oh my goodness, actually.
Now we want there to be a specific color effect. And when you choose that color effect, you win. So how we're going to program that is when green flag is clicked, we're going to, First, we have to make a variable. A variable stores a certain value that can change.
Okay, that's really cool and created.
A variable literally means variable, changeable.
Changeable.
So
I'm sort
we're
of
going to
just
call
repeating
this
what she's saying.
color effect.
The name?
No, we're going to call it mystery color effect.
No, mystery color.
Find mystery color.
We're gonna name it mystery color.
Mystery color.
No effect. It's just called mystery color. And then you're gonna
We're
press
going to
OK.
uncheck it because we don't want to know the mystery color.
Yep.
And then we're going to. No, the mystery color is random.
Oh, we
You'll
don't
see.
even know it?
We're making a random mystery color. That's why it's a game. You have to be able to find the mystery color.
So we're gonna now
We're going
do
to
this, I guess.
We're going to make the mystery color. So what we want to do is we're going to use our operators, which do math.
Which I'm not good at.
And we're going to use 25 because that's what you change your color effect by.
Okay, 25.
Times.
Then you do times.
We're going to do pick random.
Okay, so do pick random. 1
Wait.
and 10.
Yeah. Let me just. There we go.
Pick random 1 and 10.
Well, let's make these bigger now. And
You're gonna want to do that.
we're going to.
What's this phone?
Stop. Sorry. We're going to now use an if statement to figure out if you have the mystery color. Because you can see the mystery color.
Yeah.
Now, if you check the box for the mystery color, then press the green flag, it will change every time. I do not know what it is.
I'm very bad at this.
The mystery color is going to be a mystery every time, so you have to figure it out every time.
Yeah.
That's how
we
this is a
don't even
game.
know what it is.
Unless you check it, so don't
Yeah.
check it.
Otherwise, that just ruins the game. And it's not gonna be as fun.
Then you want to do forever if an if statement is, so we're going to do an if statement. An if statement is if something is true, then it does something. So we're going to do if, we're going to go to our operators.
Okay.
Okay, I need to get this mouse to work.
What are your operators?
Here we go. How we're going
To
to
be
go
a
to
green
equal.
circle.
We're going to do this green operators, what is equal. And we're going to go to our looks and drag out the variable. Wait, does this not have a variable? Wait a second. So there is no variable for color effect. So we're going to make a variable for color effect. We're going to call another variable color effect, because it is literally the color effect. And when space key pressed, when space key pressed, we're going to change color effect by 25. And when the green flag is pressed, we're going to make sure it's 0. So if color effect equals mystery color, then right now we're just going to say you win. We'll change this later, but right now we're going to say you win.
You win. Okay, so do that.
And we'll see if this works.
Let's see. Hopefully it does, because
It worked.
we won.
So now we're
Yay.
going to add something to the winning. Let's add a sound. We'll go to the sound category, do plus sound, and we'll choose a sound. Let's choose an effect sound. Let's try to find a winning sound.
Yeah.
Do you think that's good, Maid?
Let's keep looking.
Okay. What about this?
Let's keep looking. Can we keep looking? Okay. Let's keep looking.
We can't look for too long.
Water drop. Let's look for that one. You
Water
passed
drop.
it. I want to see it.
I think
I
we
think
the
the
wind
whoop. Wiz?
I think the wind.
Let's hear it.
I think the wind sound sounds good. We want a sound for a wind.
Let's look for Wiz. Let's
This
look
is
at Wiz.
no wind.
I know, but can we look at Wiz? Let's do Wiz. It's cute.
But we need a winning sound.
It is like whoop whoop.
It isn't really.
Like,
Fine.
thank you. So that sound's gonna be it when.
So now we're going to go to sound and play sound Wiz.
Yeah. So now that you have your sound, you can try to
Now-
play it again.
And you can keep playing this game.
Yay! We did it again.
And you can do it in full screen. And even if you have to go, the way this works with that variable will track your color effect even if you go through the cycle more than once.
Yeah. Whoop. This is so fun.
This is also a forever loop, so we don't want it to keep saying you win. We want to go to control and say stop all after you win.
Okay. So now let's try it. Can
Now
I
you
try?
win, but it stops everything after you win.
Can I try?
Yeah,
Where's the noise? Where's the whoop?
that's when you win.
Whiz. Okay, can I try?
Press spacebar.
Can I
Just
sit
keep-
down? Sorry. First. Okay, let's try this. I did it.
What's 25 times 10? Okay, this isn't gonna work. You have to press green flag again.
Yay, I won.
Okay, so
So that's it for today.
yeah,
Bye.
you can comment on. Well, let's add a title first. Let's call this.
The
Let's call
Ball
this
of dot.
mystery
Mystery dot.
mystery dot.
Okay. So our game is now called Mystery Dot.
We're gonna add a description. Press space to
To
find
Find
the
the
mystery
color.
color.
That's Mystery Dot.
And I'm gonna write Ask Scratcher 90. For your project, you can write your account name. And we will share it. If you want to comment, you can comment on Scratch any ideas or anything you want to say. You can also comment on other people's projects.
Yeah.
Wait,
That's so cool.
we have to call this Mystery Dot? I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
Mystery Dot. That's the name of our game. So if you want to play it, just
If you want
and
to
that's creative and art my
that's
and Maid's game.
create a made game. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.